mostly clear, a bit chilly, and the winds will still be pretty breezy tonight out of the south. The front rolls in 62 for a high, winds gusting to 40 miles an hour with partly sunny skies. 46 through the heartland tonight. The winds are going to stay up for you as well. Pretty breezy evening overall. 69 tomorrow, not quite as chilly, mostly sunny, but those northwest winds still gusting to 30 miles an hour down through the heartland. The wind is the big story and pleasant temperatures. 61 on Saturday, a little bit of a chill, but still the winds are not going to be roaring. It'll be pretty nice. 70 by Monday, nearly 80 degrees by the middle of next week, but again, we have the little